Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Astro Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about a job by Amazon. So job role is virtual customer service associate job role. So if you are 12th pass out, you can apply for this job, and if you are graduate, any graduate can apply for this, and 12th pass out can also apply for this. So everyone is familiar from Amazon. Amazon is an amazing company. You can apply for this job and get selected. Amazing opportunity. You must apply for this. We will discuss in details what is the job role, what work you have to do, everything in detail. First of all, subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you can see various job opportunities are listed on my channel. So you can watch various off-campus drive videos on my channel. So let's continue. The job role is virtual customer service associate, Kolkata, India. So don't worry about this location. This job role is online. You have to work online, work from home job it is. And here you can see description. You can see in details about Amazon. And let's see about job description directly. Customer service associate job, VCS India. So it is an work from home job, as you can see on the screen. You should have internet connection, uninterrupted internet connectivity, and work from home job, so everybody can apply for this. You can see here is you will receive 6 weeks of mandated online training. So first of all, they will train you for the job. This will be a 6-week long training. Then you have to you can continue with the job. So here you can see knowledge and skills that are required for this job: action oriented, self discipline, and organized. This is a very simple job, as you have to just attend call and solve the queries of the customer. Here you can see your communication skills must be strong, ability to communicate clearly with both internal and external customers. So the customers which order from Amazon, you have to talk with them if they have any query. Effective time management skills and ability to prioritize work and time to ensure productivity. Good composition skill, good comprehension skill. Here we can see ability to use desktop and laptop computer system. This is a basic requirement everybody needs in every job. You should have ability to use desktop and laptop computer. You should be familiar with Windows 7, Microsoft Outlook, and Internet Explorer, and you should have good typing skill. Here you can see the basic requirements are listed below, and the preferred criteria, you can see you should work with various shift. Here you can see uninterrupted internet connectivity must be there during working shift. So to ensure maximum productivity, internet connectivity should be strong, and work like environment with no disturbance during working hours. So there should be no disturbance. Should be self-driven, motivated, and task-driven individual who can learn fast and operate with minimal support. You should be self-driven. This will be the preferred criteria. I have already discussed. You have seen what you have to do. The ideal customer candidate will be comfortable in a fast-paced, multitask, high-energy environment. So customer focus and problem-solving skills are mentioned below. You can read it out. Ability to quickly and effectively prioritize work. You have to prioritize your work, organize and detail-oriented. Ability to maintain composure in highly escalated situation. Ability to approach problem logically and rationally. Effective problem solving skills including decision making, time management, and immediate prioritization of tasks as assigned. So here you can see you have to immediately prioritize of the task that you have assigned. So here you can see more details about Amazon, this job role, about the customer service team. You can read it out, and here you can see at the bottom basic qualification. So minimum qualification is 10 plus 2. So I have already told you that 10 plus 2, if you are 12th pass out, you can apply for this job, and if you are any graduate or doing PG, everyone is eligible for this job if you are 12th pass out. And here you can see shift are rotational. You can get a night shift or day shift or any shift. Shifts are rotational, and here you can see benefits. So NSA, OT, meal card. So NSA provide various benefits for you, and OT, that extra income, will provide you if you work more. And here is a meal card. So meal will be provided to you when there will be offline job. So this is a work from home job you have to do from work. So that's it for today's video. Thank you.